Hello guys, FX Bright here, the trade guru. So on this video, we're going to be talking about V75. We're going to be analyzing V75 to see what we have or what the market has for us in the coming weeks. So guys, if you're not yet locked up to this channel, better like and subscribe and turn on the bell notification, because on this channel, I will be giving you all the details you need to know about every synthetic indices of your choice, so you can know the future predictions and what to do in that market. So this is V75. So guys, the first thing I always say is that you want to go to the highest time frame that gives you a lot of data, right? So this is the weekly time frame. Well, let's just check the daily time frames. All right, let's see what the daily time frame is talking about. So you can see what V75 has been doing for the past couple of years, right? Because this is the daily time frame, so of course this is like years. So where I'm going to start drawing my lines from is I'm just going to pick out a spot that looks a little bit consistent. So if I'm going to be drawing the line from this particular point here, and you can see how V75 has dropped down from this top here all the way through these other places. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that line and I'm going to replicate it. So what is the idea behind this? I always tell you, box price in a channel. Anytime you see price moving, understand that price intends to move in the channel. So when the price was somewhere around here doing all these stuffs like this, it intended to move in the channel, just that you didn't know the channel it was going to move in. So right now, this is what the price is doing. So the next thing you want to do is that you want to understand that channels have median lines. So I'm going to take out another line and put it at the middle. You're just going to see how the line is going to fit in very perfectly in the middle of the channel. So this is what V75 has been doing. So take a look at where V75 is right now. You can tell that it is not even yet at the middle of the channel. So there is still a lot of sell for V75. So just by looking at this alone, we've been able to understand what V75 is doing currently here. You can't be buying V75, right? Obviously, by now, you should know V75 is in a major sell. So this is the middle of the channel. So we're supposed to expect this price action to drop down all the way to the middle of this channel. But it's not even close. This will take several more days and weeks even to get here. So from now to a very long time, you probably want to just think about selling V75. So this is the daily time frame. But we're still going to analyze to see what is happening in this particular leg. So you can see how the price was falling. So obviously, because the price is on the top of this channel, we understand that V75 right from these times has always been in a sell. Even when V75 was buying, you should be very wary because we are at the top of a very major channel. So definitely V75, that sell was very much anticipated. So what we're going to do at this point is that we're going to try to understand also the channel this V75 is using to come down. So I'm going to put that line there and I'm going to put it on the top there. All right, that is good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy that. I'm going to drop it at the bottom. All right, so I'm going to copy it again to get the middle. Right, so this is about that. So you can see how V75 has been moving in this particular channel, hitting the channel and dropping down, and this is where it hit it last and started dropping down. So it's beautiful to see what's happening in V75, how V75 formed a certain support somewhere around this point, and now it hit the top of this channel and broke the supports towards the downside. So obviously, at this particular point, anything you want to be doing on V75 is going to be sell, 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 because you see this point became a good support zone and price was able to break it somewhere around here. So price broke it. This is the daily time frame, and this is the today right now. This is today. Today is 19th of November 2025. So you can see this is where the price is. So what we're going to be expecting from V75 is to make a retest. So a retest is a little buy, which you can see is currently happening. The buy is supposed to come up a little bit here, maybe even get up to this point a little bit. And we're going to be expecting a major sell from V75 because of these very strong confluence here. So I'm going to go to the 4 hours time frame so we can see that place very well. So this is where V75 is. Like I said, we'll be expecting V75 to push up a little, up all the way to this side. And from this side, we'll be expecting a major sell from V75, right? So we'll be expecting a major sell from V75 from this particular point. So guys, this is a projection for V75, and when that sell starts, they said it's going to be very massive because we'll be heading to this middle point of the channel. So guys, like and subscribe and turn on the bell notification. I'm going to be doing analysis on all the synthetic indices and every one of interest, and when we'll be taking some trades, I couldn't make some videos and also post it so you can see why we entered those trades. So guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Take care.